You can get paid to work with these free sources that I'll share with you today. It is a legit way to get paid online, but also free and worldwide available. In order to get the desired results, make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me anything. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything, and I'm going to give you multiple sources, so make sure to stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused. So I'm going to start with the first one. This one is not going to pay you by just walking. There are some other ones that are going to pay you for that, so just keep watching step by step to find out who are going to be those platforms. So this one here is called MooCash, and it's over at GetMoCash.com. As you can see, you can turn swipes and taps into cash. You can earn $5 per day, so you can get it on Google Play Store and App Store as it says right here. You can just click on these buttons in order to see how you can install them on your smartphone device. So if you go over to gigs up here, you're going to see what you can do in order to get paid with MooCash. You're going to notice that you can watch some YouTube videos and earn. You can install some apps or websites in order to earn. Also, you can do some other tasks, and also you have here reviewing some platforms and buying to earn, so you can get cash back. So there are a lot of things that you can do with MooCash. Also, if you scroll down here on their homepage, you're going to notice that they offer 24/7 support and also many rewards. You can redeem coins for cash, also free mobile recharge, free talk time, and gift cards. Also, it's very easy to earn coins. As you can see, you're going to get some offers on your lock screen and swipe to take an offer. So it's simple as that. You have many ways to earn, just like the ones that I showed you before. So you can try apps, visit pages, complete tasks and surveys, and so on. If you scroll down, they are going to give you some other apps that are very similar to this one that you can find on Google Play Store or App Store. So this was the first platform that I wanted to show you. As you can see, the minimum redemption is just $2 or $5 depending where you are making money from, and also you can even cash your rewards via PayPal or bank transfer, just like it says right here. You're going to get paid within 7 business days. So this was the first platform I wanted to show you. I'm going to proceed with the next one, and this is called Screenlift, and it's over at Screenlift.io. So this is the first screen that pays you, but how is going this platform pay you? So you're going to see that first of all you need to customize your screen. You're going to personalize your first screen with their unique features. After that, you're just going to use your phone as usual, and you're going to get paid whenever you open your phone. So you're going to earn some leads that you can redeem for cash, as you can see, for real money. So you can even get paid in PayPal, as you can see down here. See, these are some testimonials from people that have used this platform. You can see that this person here has used this platform for 2 months and have made like $40. Of course, you're not going to get paid thousands of dollars, because these are some of the easiest ways by getting money online, because you just need to use your phone in this case, and that's it. So it's a great way to get some extra income, and you can spend them however you want. So you can click on the install now button here, but the thing is that for the moment you need to just go over to Google and search for Screenlift APK, and you're going to find an APK download for your Android, so you can get it on your Android device. So let's proceed to the apps that you can also get on your iOS device, and also that are going to pay you by just walking. So this one is called Sweatcoin, and it's over at sweatco.in. So this platform pays you to just walk. As you can see, this is a free app where your everyday steps convert into currency. You can spend them on cool products, services, and also you can donate them to charity. You're going to see over here that this platform has been mentioned in Daily Mail, The Telegraph, Men's Journal, and so on. And you can also check out the ratings or on App Store and Google Play Store Store, but also you can go over there in order to install it in your smartphone device. Here on the Google Play Store, you're going to notice that I have like almost 500,000 of ratings with 4.5 stars. You're going to see that you're going to earn money by just walking. Also, you're going to earn sweat coins that you can spend it on the marketplace. Also, you're going to see your daily activity, receive daily bonuses. You can track your earnings and rewards, and you can even use it on your Apple Watch. Here on App Store, it got like more than 200,000 of ratings with 4.5 stars reviews. You're going to see that this is actually a legit platform, and also it's very loved by people, so you can give it a try, and while staying in shape, you're also going to make money. Let's get to know some other features that Sweatcoin offers. You're going to notice them here on their homepage. So you can walk, earn, spend, and repeat. It pays to walk. You're going to see that they do not sell your data. The safety of your data actually is their top priority. You can even check the privacy policy out here. You're going to notice some statistics over here which are very important, and also how you can spend your sweat coins. So you can spend them for yourself, you can buy some services, and also high-tech shoes to iPhones, anti-gravity yoga classes, and also Apple Watches. Also, you can even donate them to charity, just like I mentioned before. If you're wondering why this platform is paying you, you're going to see here how those sweat coins get their value. So they have a lot of partners, actually more than 300 of partners, and the value of Sweatcoin is derived from their wide-reaching partnerships. So brands want to connect with health-conscious audiences, insurers are wishing to encourage healthier lifestyle choices, and governments looking to reduce healthcare costs. That's where they are getting their value. So this was the first platform actually related to getting paid to work. I'm going to give you another one, of course, which is going also to be the fourth and final platform for today, and that platform is called Lifecoin. This is over at lifecoin.ai. So this platform pays you to work just like the previous one, so it's very similar, and it's like an alternative to that one. You're going to see that you can download it on App Store, on Google Play Store. So if you go over to App Store, you're going to see that it got like more than 11,000 of ratings with 4.6 stars reviews. And also, if you click here on get it on Google Play, it's going to say you that they cannot find this one, but you can also go over to Google and search for Lifecoin APK. So here on their official website, you're going to see that you can redeem 4 amazing prizes. You have some iPhones, also $100 PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards, iTunes gift cards, Apple Watch, and so on and so forth. You're going to turn daily walks into mining sessions. So even this one pays you by just walking, which is pretty awesome. So these were the 4 platforms that I wanted to give you today. You can combine all of them in order to make the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. So if you did, give this video a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching.